Uy, bago ni Vivo! Vivo Watch GT. Ano nga ba meron sa watch na ito? This is the first ever na square na face na watch ni Vivo. And balita ko, sobrang tumatagal ang ng battery. Up to 21 days of endurance. But before that, unbox na natin. Yung Vivo Watch GT na Bluetooth version, yung kanyang black color na may rubber strap is priced at 7,599. And yung leather cloud white na version niya na hawak natin right now is priced at 8,099 pesos. More details on the description box below or just simply click the product link. Now, one of the things na gusto ko dito sa kanya is maganda yung kanyang strap. I feel yung kanyang leather strap dito masarap dito sa aking wrist. Hindi siya yung cheap leather na pag sinuot mo yung medyo itchy ka, irritable. Pero ito, premium leather ang ginamit ni Vivo dito. And another thing is, madali siya mag-detach. So, just press and nakadetach siya. And pag ikakabit mo, snap-on lang siya. Ganun kabilis. Okay, di ba? Now, yung screen is a 2.5D na screen design. It's a 1.85-inch na AMOLED display. And another thing is almost borderless and bezel-less siya dito. And it can give you some really nice crystal clear images. Yung kanyang frame is made out of aluminum alloy. And ang kanyang crown dito is made out of stainless steel. Now, one of the nice things dito sa kanya is ang dami mong watch face na pwede pagpilian. Scroll ka lang dito. And kung hindi ka na contented, pwede ka tumingin doon sa kanyang app. Mas marami ka pang mapipili doon sa app niya. This is definitely one of my favorite. Now, one of the key selling point nitong watch na ito is tumatagal siya. It can last you up to 21 days on a single charge. Based on my experience, halos 1 week na sa akin to. And tumatagal naman kanyang battery. I would say na halos di ko pa na-charge since the first day. And what does 21 days mean? Pwede ka lumabas for outdoor adventures, going out on a short trip to different countries, or doing your marathon or triathlon training, and hindi mo na kailangan bitbit ng yung charging dock. And yung charging nga pala niya, there's a magnetic pin dito sa likod. Snap mo lang dito, you can use the power bank to charge, mabilis lang naman siya. Now, one of the key features na gusto ko rin sa kanya is yung kanyang shortcut card. Nandito lahat ng everything you need to know. Andyan lang, just simply scroll over and makita mo na everything you need to know on a single glance. Another feature dito is yung kanyang Bluetooth calling, so you can dial up here, call your special someone on the go. Lalo na kung ayaw mo hawakan yung smartphone, pwedeng-pwede ka tumawag dito. Except medyo vulgar nga lang kasi naka-loudspeaker. Now, pagdating sa workout, sa fitness, ang dami ng workout modes. There's over 100 workout modes dito na pwede mo pilian. Just simply select the one that you want and yun na. You can easily track your calories burn, your heart rate, and all of the other health stats na kailangan mong malaman on this watch. Now, pagdating naman sa health monitoring, meron din dito sa watch na ito. 24 hours na heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen monitoring, stress level monitoring, and sleep monitoring. Lahat nandito sa watch na ito. Meron pa siyang period monitoring para sa mga babae. And by the way, pwede rin siya mag-music on the go and pwede mo rin siya gamitin as a camera shutter button para sa iyong smartphone. Now guys, nasabi ko na lahat ng gusto ko pwede sabihin sa inyo dito sa Vivo Watch GT. And if you're interested dito sa watch na ito, just simply click the product link below or just simply check it sa aking description box. For more videos like this, don't forget to follow me and hit that subscribe button. I'll see you around.